Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Push. Just want to do a quick one. Want to see how to resolve inbuilt Wi-Fi not connecting. You have an inbuilt Wi-Fi, like a decoder like this comes with an inbuilt Wi-Fi, no external Wi-Fi. And sometimes the Wi-Fi may fail, maybe due to software corruption. So the only way you can correct it is either you run a fresh software. Like for this one, I've run a new software. Yet you can see that the network is still not working. I've also done I crashed it and I did like GS-ROM. It will come up, then it will trip off. So I'm looking at another way to do it is to get an external Wi-Fi stick, then use the external Wi-Fi stick to run it. If that one too, if it doesn't work, that means we have to run a loader file. But before you do a loader file or you flash you flash the IC of the decoder, just first of all use a Wi-Fi stick to run it and see if it will resolve it. So you can see from this place, you click on network, it tell you no network interface. Then I can access my app. I can access my app. My apps are not connecting. So I would advise you use an external Wi-Fi stick first to test it. So this is an external Wi-Fi stick. This is a MediaStar Wi-Fi stick. I want to use this thing and run it to connect the Wi-Fi and see if it will resolve it. So let's put it here at the USB port here. So put it here. So you can see there's a light blinking. That means the Wi-Fi stick is working. So let me go to my network and see it has come up. The network has come up. So it's accepting the external adapter. But our aim here is not to use the external adapter permanently. It's to use the external adapter to correct it. Then we remove the external adapter. So let me click the Wi-Fi. It's connecting now with the external adapter. So this is my network. It's connecting. So while it's waiting, it's connected. So I've acquired the IP. So go back. Let me go to my app again. You can see it's connected. It's green. So let me go to my app. My apps are all coming up. Free app. Go to Apollo English. Connect. Loading the channel list. So the Wi-Fi stick is working now. So we'll remove the Wi-Fi stick later on and see if you can see the Wi-Fi sticks is working and all the IPTV are functioning. So let's remove the Wi-Fi stick and see if it has resolved it. So remove the Wi-Fi stick. I can go back again. To exit. So go back. Let's go back to our menu. Network. It has gone off again. So what we'll do now is we put the Wi-Fi stick again. Then we off the decoder. Off the decoder, remove the power source of the decoder, then on it back. put the power source back, and let's allow the driver to run on the inside the decoder and see if it will resolve it. So it's coming up again. It's coming up. Let's quickly remove the Wi-Fi stick and see. So let's go to our menu again and click on network. You can see the Wi-Fi stick has fixed it. It's coming up now. So it's working without the Wi-Fi stick. The Wi-Fi stick is off. So push. So it's coming up. Just hold on. So it's acquiring so the IP app has been acquired successfully. So that's how you use your external Wi-Fi stick to run the inbuilt Wi-Fi in your inbuilt decoder when it fails. Thank you. See you in our next lecture. Bye.